Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to hide reposts on TikTok profile. So all we gotta do is just tap on our TikTok or load our TikTok applications. And from here, all we gotta do is tap on our profile applications. And then all we gotta do is tap on the three lines which is located on the top right for our screen, and then tap on the settings and privacy. Then all we gotta do is tap on privacy, which is located below the account. And from there, all we gotta do is search for the option to hide reposts here. And if it's not located on the interactions, all we gotta do is update our TikTok into the latest version. And all we gotta do is launch our Play Store and then search for TikTok. As you can see, I don't have any versions to update to my TikTok applications. But if you have, I would like you guys to update your applications to the latest version. So in the case that you have updated your TikTok application into the latest version and you still didn't find the option to hide reposts on TikTok, the problem might be that this update that has this option to hide reposts on TikTok profile isn't located in our country, and so we may have to wait until it's located or a newer update has been sent into our country in order for us to access this option. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.